Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the file. Open it now in a PDF reader that supports Find. Press Ctrl+F or CMD+F to open the search box, type the word you want, then press Enter. If it's a phrase, include every word in order. Once done, use the next or previous arrows to jump through matches. Make sure to check the reader's Find options. Some show match counts, others jump to thumbnails, so you know where each occurrence lives. You can refine results quickly. Toggle match case or whole words only when you need exact hits. For a larger sweep, open Advanced Search to scan the entire document, bookmarks, or even all PDFs in a folder. This saves time. If you're dealing with scan pages, run OCR in your editor first, otherwise the search returns nothing. Once OCR is applied, repeat the find. The editor will locate text that was previously an image, so you won't miss hidden matches. You'll review each match by jumping from the results list or clicking highlighted text. Once there, read surrounding lines to confirm relevance. If you need to keep findings, copy text, add annotations, or export highlights via your editor. If search returns none, don't panic. Make sure the PDF isn't an image. Run OCR, check text encoding, or open the file in a different viewer. As a final troubleshooting tip, extract plain text to a TXT file and search that when tools fail.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.